You're welcome to Explore Insight. In this video, I want to teach you on complement representation. So before we proceed, in my previous videos, I talked about the representation of signed numbers, which can be done in any of the two forms, either the sign magnitude form or the complement form. So please do well to watch my previous videos on the sign magnitude form and then come forward to watch the complement representation. So without any further ado, please let's get started. So in the complement representation, we actually have two types, the first complement and the second complement. So let's quickly go straight away to look at an example so that you can further have a good knowledge about this. So in question 1, we are asked to find the first complement of 9. All we need to do is first of all to convert 9 to binary form. And if you convert 9 to binary form, I have a short way to do that. All you need to do is to spread out this value, which is in the form of the place value of a binary, that is 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, and 2 raised to power 3. So with that, we're going to have 8, 4, 2, 1. Now with this, we want to locate what will sum up to give us 9, or what can actually give us 9. 9 alone cannot be found, so we can only sum up. So what can we sum up? 8 and 1. So since we can sum up 8 and 1, we are going to turn this on, and turning it on, we are going to represent it as 1, and the rest, that is this 4 and 2, will be 0, 0. So this is typically what we have here with that shortcut. Now the next thing to do, once we convert the decimal number to binary, we just have to check for the complement. Now when I talk about complement, just have a quick understanding about it, that complement is like doing the opposite of what you have. That means the inverse. Okay, so now what do I mean by that? It means if you see it 0, change it to 1, and if you see 1, change it to 0. That is all about one's complement. Now let's go back to what we have before. So our 9, which is 1 0 0 0 1. Now when we want to do one's complement, we are just going to convert it. This 1 will be 0, this 0 will be 1, this 0 will be 1, and this 1 will be 0. So that is how the conversion is going to work. And let's quickly go forward to 2's complements. Now if we want to solve for 2 complements, it is simply to understand that it's going to be the summation of the 1's complement and 1. What do I mean? It means that we are going to add 1 to 1's complement. Okay, so let's take that's the same example we have already solved for 1 complement. Remember, this is for 1 complement. So all we need to do is to add 1 to get 2 complements. So let's proceed with that. So what is the 2 complements of 9? All we need to do, recall what is 1 complement, 0 1 1 0, and for 2 complements we're just going to add 1, and when we add 1, we're going to have 0 1 1 1. So that's all. That's pretty easy. Okay, so I hope you're able to understand this. And remember, today's topic was on complement representation. Okay, so I introduced the first and the second complement to you, so we can actually solve more examples. So watch my subsequent videos so that you can get accustomed to more videos and give you a better and balanced knowledge. So please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. You can also recommend my videos on my channel to your friends and family. So do have a nice time. Bye.